Hi everyone, welcome to this mini lesson on telling the time. Here we go, let's see if we can do it together. So, what are my top tips for time? The red hand is the shorthand and that's the hour hand. So we look at the red numbers when we're looking at the red short hour hand. The blue long hand is the minute hand. So we look at the tiny blue numbers around the edge to help us with the minutes. We always read the minute hand first and then the hour hand. That's the order you read the time. So the clock that's in front of you there is 10 minutes past 10. So I've read the blue minute hand first, 10 minutes past 10. Let's have a look at the past times. Now telling the time is really easy if you count in fives. You can use the counting in fives pattern. Can you see the blue fives round the edge? 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, 15 minutes past or quarter past, 20 past, 25 past and 30 minutes past. We also call that half past. Well done. So have a look here. My turn. I look at the long blue hand first. 5 past 2. 5 minutes past 2. Now it's your turn. What's this time? Well done if you said 5 minutes past 10. Can you see I've done the minutes in blue to match the blue hand and the red to match the hour hand. My turn again. The blue hand says 25 minutes past 12. Your turn now. Well done if you said 25 minutes past 3. My turn. 20 past 2. Your turn again. Well done if you said 20 minutes past 7. Now, what if I mixed up the times? Your turn. Well done if you said 10 past 1. Your turn again. 25 minutes past 11. Well done. What's this one? 20 minutes past 8. And this one? Well done. 5 minutes past 5. Great job. But how do I read the times to the hour? We continue to use the counting in 5 pattern when we're counting past half past, but this time we count backwards as we move towards the next full hour. Let's have a little look. So after half past or 30 minutes past, we then stop at 25 minutes to. 22, 15 minutes to or quarter to, 10 minutes to and 5 minutes to. Here we go. My turn first. Is that 40 minutes past? It is, but it's also 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes to 5. 20 minutes to 5. Your turn now. How many minutes to the hour is it? It's not 50. Well done if you said 10 minutes to 7. You've got 5 minutes to 7, 10 minutes to 7. My turn again. Not 35 minutes past. It's 5, 10, 15, 20. I know. 25 minutes to 9. Your turn now. Don't forget you can pause the video to count the clock if you need to. 20 minutes to 3. Well done. My turn. Counting in fives up to the next hour. 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes to 4 or quarter to 4. Your turn. Well done if you said 10 minutes to 12. Now let's mix up those times. We're going to have some past times and some to times. Your turn. 25 minutes to 8. 5 minutes to 2. Pause the video if you need to. 20 minutes to 4. 25 minutes to 7. Challenge time. Have you noticed I've taken off the blue numbers for the minutes? You have to do it yourself. My turn. 5 past, 10 past, quarter past or 15 minutes past, 20 past. So I'm guessing 20 past 10. Your turn now. 10 minutes past 3. Good job if you got that right. Here we've got a 2 time. Your turn. Count in fives. Well done if you said 20 minutes to 7. Your turn again. That's right if you got 10 minutes to 1. Here's another one. 25 minutes past 3. 25 to 11. Well done. You've all done so well with that. It is tricky. Don't forget you can replay the videos whenever you like. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.